Here are the answers for the day 4 warm-up. A key principle in chemistry is an atom has no electric charge. It is neutral. Use this principle to answer the following questions. Question A, an oxygen atom has 8 protons. So how many electrons does it have? And the answer is it has 8 electrons. Each proton has a positive 1 charge. So if there are 8 protons, that is a positive 8 charge in the nucleus of the atom. Each electron has a negative 1 charge. If there are 8 electrons, then that's a negative 8 charge surrounding the nucleus. Positive 8 plus negative 8 adds up to 0, a neutral atom. Question B, the atomic number of chlorine is 17, which means chlorine has 17 protons. So how many electrons does it have? It has 17 electrons. Here's the reasoning. If there are 17 protons, then the total positive charge in the nucleus of the atom is 17. If there were 17 electrons, then around the nucleus, the total negative charge is negative 17. Positive 17 plus negative 17 adds up to 0, a neutral atom. Question C, the nucleus of a calcium atom has 20 protons and 17 neutrons. How many electrons does it have? It has 20 electrons. If there are 20 protons in the nucleus, then the positive charge in the nucleus is positive 20. To balance that, there needs to be 20 electrons around the nucleus, so that the total negative charge around the nucleus is negative 20. Positive 20 and negative 20 are opposites. Their sum is 0, a neutral atom. Another important chemistry principle is an ion is a particle with a positive or negative charge. Question D, a sodium ion has a positive 1 charge. It has 11 protons. How many electrons does it have? It has 10 electrons. And the justification is shown in green ink. To have an overall positive 1 charge, the atom must have one more proton than electron. Each proton has a positive 1 charge, and there are 11 protons in the nucleus. 11 times positive 1 is positive 11. Each electron has a negative 1 charge. If there are only 10 electrons, then 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. The sum of these two numbers is a positive 1 overall charge for the ion. Question E, a nitride ion has a negative 3 charge. It has 7 protons. So how many electrons does it have? It has 10 electrons. With 7 protons, the positive charge in the nucleus is positive 7. If there were 10 electrons, and each electron has a negative 1 charge, then the total negative charge around the nucleus is negative 10. The sum of these two numbers is a negative 3 overall charge. An ion with a positive charge, such as a sodium ion, will have more protons than electrons. An ion that has a negative charge, like this nitride ion, has more electrons than protons.